Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. By the way, my name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today, I am here at Villa Castena Subdivision. I am near the gate. So ito yung makikita natin when we are outside the subdivision. This is the gate. This is the guardhouse. Yeah, if you are standing in this area, ito yung makikita natin, yung Iligan Bay. So by the way, nandito pala ako ngayon because I have a client who will be site visiting with me. And while waiting for them, gusto ko lang i-feature kung ano na yung mga updates natin dito sa Villa Castena Subdivision. All right. Ayan, so papasukin natin yung subdivision. So by the way, before we go inside, papakita ko lang muna ang view natin dito. This is the main road. Itong road na yan, papunta na yan sa Calubihon. And this road going down, papunta yan sa National Road. Alright, so malapit lang tayo sa National Road, yung location ng subdivision na ito. Alright, so let's get inside. And this is it. So first, una natin pasukin yung, so this is the main gate. Ayan, so ito yung makikita natin inside the subdivision. Right, so as you can see, it's still under construction pa itong location na to. By the way, this is block 1. And if wala na tong fence na to kasi it's under construction pa, so ito yung makikita natin. Alright. Yan, see? That is the Iligan Bay. And merong mga under constructions pa ng mga units dito. And dito din, malapit na rin tong mag-start yung mga under construction nila na units sa block 1. So let's get inside the model house for the 1-story unit. Alright. So let's get inside this 1-story duplex unit. By the way, ito yung parking area na. It can accommodate 1 car. Alright, so ito yung parking area. Tapos dito sa likod, yan, that is your service area. Alright. Yung unit na to is meron siyang, let's get inside. Pagpasok natin sa unit, ito yung makikita natin, living area. Yan, may TV, may divider. Tapos it has one large window. Alright, na nakikita yung Iligan Bay. Ayan, so may mga paintings dyan. And there's a cabinet. And in this side naman, makikita natin yung kitchen. Alright, so meron siyang box divider dyan. Right, nandito yung refrigerator. So this is the faucet and the lavabo. And it has a window here. Alright. Yan. So meron na din siyang lagayan sa ilalim. Okay. So in this area, you can see this is the dining area. Right. So dito din nila nilagay yung 1.5 horsepower na aircon. So it's a split type aircon. Right. Actually, abot dito sa sala yung lamig eh. Itong unit kasi natin is meron siyang insulator na nilagay doon sa ceiling para mas lesser yung init na pumapasok sa loob ng bahay. Kaya yung aircon na 1.5, hindi siya nahihirapan na magpalamig sa loob ng unit. Ayan, so ang ganda ng pagka-design nila sa dining area. Ayan, may cabinet at saka may mga designs dyan, mga paintings. Alright. So, dito din na area, let's open. This is the service area. Alright, so yung service area, dito ka pwede maglaba, maglagay ng mga labahin mo. You can also utilize this as your second kitchen or your dirty kitchen, no? 'Di ba may lababo na sa loob, pero kung ayaw mo kasing doon sa loob magluto, pwede dito sa labas, especially if yung niluluto mo is grilled, no? So mausok. So dito mo natin to iluluto. Alright, so dito ka maglalaba. And connected na din siya sa parking area natin. Okay, so let's get inside. By the way, ito yung CR natin for the one-story duplex. Ayan, may bowl na, tsaka may lababo faucet. Right, ito yung design niya. And ayan, so naka-tiles na rin siya. And fully finished na yung walls. Alright, so upon turnover, meron siyang shower dito, pero ngayon wala lang, hindi lang nilagay. Ayan, so may lagayan ng sabon. So meron din siyang, ayan, faucet dyan. Alright, so ngayon let's get inside to the bedroom. Ayan, so ito yung entrance ng bedroom. By the way, ayan, so this is plywood lang. But actually, when yung turnover unit natin, wala siyang partition ng room because we want our clients to decide whether if they want to make it 2 rooms or 1 room for them. So bare siya upon turnover pero naka-tiles na lahat. So by the way, before tayo papasok pala sa bedroom, gusto ko lang i-explain na yung turnover unit natin is bare siya, hindi siya fully furnished. Okay? But yung unit natin is furnished na siya, naka-tiles na, tapos meron na siyang ceiling, ready na talaga siyang tirahan. Yung partition na lang ng rooms if you want to put a partition for the room. Right? Ayan. So, let's get inside to the bedroom. So, ito yung bedroom. Meron siyang provision for a window type aircon. Tapos, again, it has a large window design. Ayan. So, ito yung bed. And may dalawang cabinet siya sa gilid. Ayan. So, ito yung design ng room natin. So, in this area, makikita natin yung buong Iligan Bay. Since it's still under construction, so may mga walls pa dyan, but eventually, mawawala na yan pag na-construct na dyan. Okay. Alright, so ito yon ating unit. So, kung aesthetics lang, ang ganda ng pagka-design ng ating one-story duplex unit. And if you want to get a unit here, pwede mo itong sundin ang ganitong design. Ayan. Alright. Alright, so this time naman, we will go outside. Titingnan natin kung ano na yung mga updates sa loob ng subdivision and I will gonna show them to you. Alright? Alright, so ito yung makikita natin outside the model house of the one-story duplex. Ayan, so this is it. Ito na yung mga updates natin dito. Almost finished na yung mga units natin. Ayan. So in this area, sa right side ko, is under construction pa. So sa mga area dito, in my left side, halos may mga nakakuha na dyan. And yung iba is nakatira na dito. Pero for their privacy, hindi natin papakita. No? But eventually, this is it. Yung ating update. As of now, marami pang mga available na mga units na malapit sa gate. Ayan, dyan, na area. So this is it. So ito yung rotonda natin dito. Ang area na to on my right side. Ayan. So as you can see, malalaki yung mga roads natin dito. Yung dump truck nga, hindi nahihirapan na mag-drive dito. Ayan, as you can see, may mga sasakyan na dyan. So meron na talagang nakatira sa mga units dito. Alright, so lakad-lakad tayo. And look at here in Rotonda, no? Ang gandang tingnan ng Iligan Bay. Okay, so punta tayo sa my area doon sa model house. Ayan. So busy na yung construction talaga nila sa project. Ayan. May mga heavy equipments dito. Ayan. So this is it. Yung mga two-story duplex din pala natin is ano na siya, no? Marami ng mga nakatayo. Ayan, naka-blocking na sila. Alright. Ayan, so almost ano na talaga, right? So this is it. And most of the people will ask, kumusta yung water dito? So by the way, hindi tayo dapat mabahala sa tubig natin dito because we have a water tank. As you can see, sobrang laki ng water tank natin. That water tank will supply water to all homeowners of Villa Castena Subdivision. Alright? So, di talaga tayo mahirapan sa tubig dito. Yan. So, ngayon pala, yung model house ng 2-story is under construction siya. No, yung dressed unit nila. Yan. So, maraming gumagawa ng interior nila ngayon. Yan. So, medyo busy siya ngayon. Alright. So, yan yung water tank. Ayan. Ito yung model house natin. Ng Villa Castena Subdivision. 2-story duplex. Alright. So again, i-discuss ko lang yung 2-story duplex. Yung lot area, total lot area is 80 square meter. Tapos yung first floor is 20 square meter at saka yung second floor is 24 square meter. All in all, 44 square meter yung floor area ng unit natin. Right? So pasukin natin. So this is it. And by the way, itong nakikita natin ngayon, this is the turnover unit. So ito ibibigay nila sa atin when we reserve or get a unit in Villa Castena Subdivision for this 2-story duplex. So again, the first floor is 20 square meter. Alright, so ito yung feel niya. By the way, ang turnover unit natin, may tiles na siya, tsaka concrete ceiling for the first floor, and then wooden stairs. Ayan. And yung first 4 step ng stairs is concrete. And it has how many windows? 1, 2, no, meron siyang 2 big windows and 1 window na maliit for the exhaust kung magluluto ka dito. Ayan, so ito na rin yung turnover condition ng lababo or kitchen when we get a unit here. And by the way, yung 2-story units natin, mayroon siyang 2 CR, isa sa baba, at isa sa second floor. So ito yung sa first floor. Alright, again, complete na siya with faucet, with shower. Ayan, so basic na lighting. And this one. Alright, so let's go out to the service area. Ito yung service area natin. So dito, pwede kang mag-dirty kitchen dito, mag-add ng kitchen for additional, especially kung mahilig kang mag-grill, ayan, so mausok, so pwede siya dito. And yung parking area natin, naka-design siya na pwede 2 sasakyan. As you can see, di ba? Mahaba yung parking area natin. So pwede kang maglagay dito ng 2 sasakyan. And kung maliliit, kaya siya 2. Kung SUV, medyo siguro lalampas doon sa puwitan ng sasakyan. Pero pag meron kang isang SUV or mga pick-up tapos yung mga maliliit na electric cars, kasyang-kasya dito. Alright, so let's go to the second floor. Alright, so akyatin natin yung second floor. This is it. Ayan, so pagdating dito, it is already a wooden stairs. And by the way, yung second floor is 24 square meter. So ito yung turnover condition. And napapansin ko, kung nakikita ninyo, no, sobrang tirik ng araw. Pero dito sa second floor, malamig yung ambience, hindi mainit. Ayan. Naka-open yung mga windows. Okay siya, yung ventilation niya, no, maganda. And pwede kang maggawa dito ng dalawang rooms. So ito din, no, ito yung turnover unit natin. Yan, naka-tiles na siya. And may ceiling na din. So, titiran mo na lang talaga, lalagyan mo lang ng partition for your 2 rooms. If wala kayong kilalang magdi-design, pwede akong mag-suggest. Meron akong mga kilalang pwedeng mag-design ng interior ng mga units ninyo. So again, sa second floor, meron tayong vertical window dito, isa. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron tayong 4 large windows. And mayroon siyang partition dito for window type aircon. Alright, so again, meron din ditong lagayan or saksakan ng split type aircon. Ayan, so if you are a plantito-plantita, pwede mo ilagay yung mga plants mo dito for aesthetics. Alright. And again, this is the second CR. Right, so again, complete na siya. May shower. Ayan, so may mga faucets. Meron ng lababo. May bowl, naka-tiles. Ayan. So lahat ng mga nakikita natin ngayon, this is the turnover unit. Ito yung makukuha natin once we reserve a unit in Villa Castena subdivision for our 2-story units. Alright, and now let's go down. So dito pala, ito, yan, dyan, sa dulo, ayan, yan yung area ng 2-story single attached unit. Isa na lang yung natira ng sa 2-story single attached unit natin. So, if you're interested, yan, paunahan na lang. And kagandahan ng 2-story single attached unit is meron kang view sa bukid, tsaka meron kang view sa dagat. And if you have questions about this project, please don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I am just a contact away, a comment away, a message away. So I will also put my digits here so that you can contact me. And if you want to have a site visit with me, yes, I am very available to have a site visit with you. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. Click like, share, comment down below what you think about this video. And always remember, the best time to buy real estate property is today. Alright, see you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.